Hello, Vigo County 4-H. Today on Teaching Tabby Tuesday, we have Anna Pfister. Anna is one of our junior leaders and is also one of our teen teachers. The teen teachers are youth who teach other youth healthy habits through diet and exercise. Today, Anna is going to teach me how to make black bean and broccoli quesadillas.
We all have times when we need a fast meal, but fast food meals are usually high in calories and fat, large in size, and have few vegetables or whole grains. What can we do instead? Luckily, we have lots of choices. Choose lower fat items from the menu. Choose a small size or share in order. Include a salad or other vegetables, or bring your own baby carrots. Ask for a cup of water instead of soda. Make quick and easy meals at home.
All right, so are we making a quick and easy meal at home today?
Yes.
This is perfect for all of those people who are stuck in their houses and need something to do.
Right. We're making the broccoli black bean quesadillas.
Awesome. All right, so what do we need?
For this is a cup of cooked black beans.
Okay.
Half a 15-ounce can. A fourth cup of salsa, 1 cup grated low-fat cheese, 1 cup cooked broccoli, cooking spray, 4-inch whole wheat tortillas or wrapped. Yeah, that's it.
All right. So if people are doing this at home and they don't have some of the ingredients, is it okay to swap things?
Yeah.
So like I went to the grocery store, but I couldn't find any broccoli, but I could find peas. So I'm going to do peas instead of broccoli. And then I didn't have any shredded cheese and I couldn't find any, but we have deli cheese and we have these little mozzarella balls. So I'm going to be cutting these up and using these.
Okay. We're going to start by mashing the beans in a large mixing bowl. And then drain salsa and add to the beans.
Okay. So do you do a lot of the baking projects for 4-H?
Some of them.
What's your favorite one to do?
I'm not sure I have a favorite. They're all pretty good. After you're done with that, we're going to add the grated cheese and add it to the beans.
Okay. So you did our teen teachers program last year, right?
Yes.
And what is that program? Can you tell me a little bit about it?
So it pretty much teaches you how to cook healthier meals and how to stay active. while also having fun.
Awesome.
Okay, after you're done adding that, the cheese, chop broccoli and add it to the beans as well.
Okay. So are you quarantined with just your parents and your sisters, or your is your are your nephews there?
Well, like that. We are quarantined with our families, but since my sister's moved out with my nephews, she'll bring them out here, so we kind of just quarantine with the two families as well. But we try not to have them over as much, just because.
That's smart. All right, what's our next step?
The next step is to coat pan with the cooking spray.
And I didn't have any cooking spray, so I just used a little bit of olive oil.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, after that, lay tortilla flat on the plate and fill half the tortilla with the fourth of the bean mixture fold and lay other half over mixture.
Okay. Am I doing that in the pan or on a plate?
On the plate.
Okay.
I think, yeah. That's what it says.
So is this going to be your dinner for tonight?
Yes.
That's what I was planning on doing too.
Sounds good. After that, place folded tortilla in pan and cook 3 to 4 minutes or until lightly brown.
Okay. Have you guys been able to get out and do anything fun while you've been home?
Yes. So since we have like our livestock, we'll go out and mess around with them. But we've also been to the Griffin Bike Park as well.
Awesome. I've been out a couple times. I was really bummed that it rained yesterday.
Yeah.
So what kind of livestock do you have at home?
Goats. 4 goats.
What kind of temperature should I have my pan on? Like medium?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna check mine and see if it's starting to brown at all. No, not really. So how many years have you done 4-H?
This is my, I think my 8th year in 4-H.
Do you have a favorite project?
7th grade. Probably goats.
The goats, I think, are my second favorite animals. I like the pigs. Sorry.
We were gonna show pigs this year, but Dad didn't want them on the property, so.
All right, so I flipped mine. It's brown on one side, and I'll let the other side brown. The peas are a little tricky. They keep rolling out. So who's going to be your taste tester?
Probably my mom.
I'll have to find Mark in a little bit.
Okay, so mine is brown on both sides. So I'm gonna take it out the tree.
I just took mine out too.
This is done. Okay. When it says to remove from the pan and you cut it in half.
Okay. I think it might need to cool a little bit before anybody can eat it. It's pretty hot.
And with the extra beans and stuff, it says you can repeat with the remaining tortillas.
All right, well, I'm gonna find Mark real quick.
Actually, it's hot.
All right, I found Mark. He's gonna taste test my quesadilla and let me know how it is. You gotta feed yourself.
I'll make
What do I do?
Take a bite.
I'm gonna taste it too.
Hi, Andy.
Hi, Andy.
Hi.
I got the burnt on one side.
All right, we ready?
Mark already ate his.
It's whole wheat, so you're stuck.
It's pretty good.
Pretty
Yeah,
good?
not
Pretty
bad.
good.
Yeah.
I'd eat it.
You will be eating it later.
Yep.
Very good quarantine quesadilla.
Hers is a little done on one side, but other than that, it's pretty good.
Oh, I'm sure it's perfect.
It is. All right.
All right, Anna. Well, thank you very much for teaching us how to make a nice, healthy dinner or small meal at home.
You're welcome.